and everybody on my team. Nationwide attention, cause my niggas on the scene.